Today I will show you how to add profile picture on Facebook. You can easily follow some simple steps to create your Facebook profile picture and just open your Facebook profile. Here you can see first time add, click on three dot. This is my Facebook account. Method how to add Facebook profile picture, and just go back. Here you can see click on three dot, click on profile name. To add your profile picture, click on camera icon and select profile picture from your mobile phone gallery and select your Facebook best profile picture. I select this, and after selecting this, after selecting your best profile picture, and here you can see untick this option and click on save button to create your Facebook profile picture easily by following this step, and wait 2 seconds. Your profile picture just update on Facebook, and you can refresh this page and just click on not you. This is my Instagram account link, and refresh this page. Here you can see your profile picture add on Facebook. Check the video description to watch and other tips and tricks video related to Facebook account, and in this channel you learn many tips and tricks video. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.